Hello there, my name is Nihamuda and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, in today's tutorial, we're going to be replicating this design. We'll try our best to replicate it, okay? Okay, so the size for the design is 853 pixel by 1280 pixel. Alright, without further ado, let's start. I'm gonna make this background. I'll pick it from the act here. Alright, I'll pick it from here. Alright, it's more like white actually. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so the first thing I want to do here is bring in the image, which is the design, so that we're going to be seeing what we're doing. Alright, okay. So let's go. We have repraiser here. Repraiser. Alright, repraiser. Okay. We're going to look for any long font for it. Not necessarily the way it is there. Let's look for something close to it. Let's see this. Okay. Alright. Put it there. Okay, let me close it up a little. Alright, so it's gonna be red. It's red in color. Okay. I think this font is not long enough. Let's look for something that is longer. If we don't have any long font, then we'd go with B-bands. So let's go with B-bands. Alright, save our time. Alright, then we have, I think we're going to increase this. Alright, so we have the tune name there. Let me use the image that we're going to be using to get our size. Let's work with this guy here. Alright, so we actually, okay, so if we want to use this image, we're going to do it like this. Okay, alright, we're still going to reduce it. Let me crop this thing. Still going to reduce it. Okay, alright. Okay. Alright, so that is that. Alright, so the next is going to be here. Let's see this guy first. The next guy is going to be inside the body, so it's going to come around here. Where are you? This guy here and this lady. Alright, we're going to do it like this. Crop it out. Okay, so it's going to be there like that. Right, okay, somewhere there. Okay, I want to put it there. Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm going to work on this. I'll increase contrast, take this down, reduce this. Contrast is too much. Okay, so sorry, yes, I'm going to get the car and then a background, a kind of motor road background. So I'll get a road background. I will use this one. Okay, it's a road background. Okay, looking at the way it is here, I'm going to have to turn it like this. Alright, then I will drag it. Let's put it there. Let's do it like this. Okay. Alright, something like that. Okay, so this fire, we have some fire here. Let's see which of them we can use. Let's use this first. Let's see this. Okay, this will work. We can still add others, but let's work with this first. Let's do this. Alright, we want to cover the background very well with a road. Okay, so that they blend very well. So we'll try to put a very good adjustment. So I'm going to turn this guy. I'm going to turn this guy like this, and then we'll increase it. Okay, I'll increase it. Okay, yes, I'll increase it. Then I'm going to bring in this car. Where are you now? I'm bringing this car right here, and this guy standing. Okay, this guy here. Then I'm gonna put it there at the middle. Okay, so it's gonna look like the car is driving inside the road. Okay, like that. Okay, then I'm gonna bring in refire. This, I'll bring in refire, and I'll put it here. I'll put it here. I'll put it there. I'll put it there. I'll bring this to the front. Bring this to the front. Okay. Okay. I'll still extend the fire here and drag it there. Alright. Okay. So I'm going to increase the contrast. Take the okay. Alright, so I think we are almost done for it. Then I'm going to now, okay, so this is just very basic. So I'm going to now bring in this to the front. Okay, then I'll bring in there's some text here that I actually got, so you can actually type this one if you have the time, but because of time, for time's sake, I actually got this text from the movie. Okay, so I'll just change it to black. No, let's change it to something gray. Okay, I'm going to move this away from it. Okay, then let me bring it to the front. Okay. So the first name is Frank Grillo. Okay, so let's go. Frank Grillo and Bruce. Frank. Okay, Grillo. Okay, so I'm gonna get another decent font. You can still use this Vivans. It's still very okay. You will pick a color from this guy here. Okay. Alright, so that's the color we're gonna be using. will increase the font. I'll put it right there. Put it right there. Alright, the next is Bruce Willis. I'll copy this, put it there. Willis. Okay. So Bruce Willis and Frank. So Frank will be on top of this guy here. We'll have to reduce it now. So Frank. And then we adjust it. Okay, then right here is Bruce. Okay, Bruce. Alright, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get more tutorials like this. And if you like this video, show some love by liking it, and then you can go the extra mile by clicking the thanks, send super thanks. So I appreciate and support the channel. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's do this. Right, I'm going to still take this away, or rather reduce it. I'm going to still reduce it. Okay, I reduce it and put it there. Right, then I'm still going to reduce this guy. Okay. Okay, so this is still going to reduce. I want it to look like it's driving inside the fire actually. Okay, so I'm going to walk on the road. It's looking somehow, so I will go and I will blend the colors, darken it, and then reduce this guy here. Alright. Okay. Alright. So let's take this guy out. So this is where we are right now. Okay, this is where we are right now. Alright, so notice how you put different background and images together and try to blend them. That is the essence of these tutorials. Alright, so if you wanted to do more, you can. Okay. Right. So this will be all for today. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and tell me if you actually enjoyed this video. Tell me your favorite part of it, where you are watching from if you are new. Okay, so finally I'm giving you this this class is going to really help you. Like, it's going to help you to get better as a graphic designer. So if you are struggling with design, how to say your skill as a graphic designer, how to become a pro, you can register for the GBD design challenge, GBD masterclass. Right, you can see the price is just 5,000 naira. click the first link in the comment of this video to register. All right, you're going to get a lot. You can see you're going to get a lot from this class. So I'll drop the link in the first comment, the first link you will see in the comment, all right, in the description of this video. Click on it and subscribe and get access to this training so loaded for you. As soon as you click on a link, you have 30 days money back guarantee. You have great testimonials. Great testimonials. I'll be waiting for you. So this is the end of this tutorial today. Don't forget to subscribe. So always save your project, right? Okay, so always save your project. If you wanted to add more life to this design, you will take it over to a third-party app like Snapseed. All right, then you open it up and just go to sharpness, detail, and then increase it a little, right, like this. And then go to vignette and then do it like this. Okay, just a little of it. All right, and then you're good to go. All right, thank you so much for watching to the end. I'll see you in the next tutorial. My name is Nia Muda. Hey, wait, don't forget to subscribe and tell me where you're watching from. I'm your friend, and I'll see you.